Good morning, comrades. My name is Magdych, and today we are going to the Earthquake Museum, which is in Kobe. Kobe, about 25 years ago, had a huge earthquake. It destroyed almost the whole city, and we are going to see what happened there. See maybe pictures, or there is a earthquake experience room, I think. I don't know if I can film that, but I will try to. So let's go and see Earthquake Museum. Also, I want to say thank you to all my supporters, everybody who supports me, my wife, my parents, and also all of my colleagues and friends. Thank you very much. This is the museum. It's in the shape of a huge cube. It was a cool experience, although a little bit scary. Scary because I live here in Japan and I understand that any time it can happen because there are earthquakes happening in Japan almost every day. Usually smaller ones, not that big, but still a little bit scary. It was also a very sad experience because of those people that lived through, died, or suffered from this earthquake. So it's good to know, it's good to remember. You can also sit outside and it looks pretty good. There's also a tiny library here and pictures. This is what we've got. Seems like not really international, but looks pretty good for the price. It was again about 1,300 yen. Looks delicious. Thank you everyone for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you next time. Blah.